is the first video blog. That's what it's called. My neighbor over there. I don't know where the hell it's going. This is straight. Oh, my garage. Oh, piece of shit car. I don't want y'all seeing my code, and if anybody else try to find me. Oh fuck, I forgot to put this shit up. There we go. I just throw my stuff on real quick. Got done finished washing my bike. Dirty as fuck. Yeah. Alright. What's that? Truck. Driving speed. Cool. 7 foot, 8 foot. Yeah, I'm listening to music as well, so occasionally I'll start singing. I don't know why. Let's see how this video goes. Look at all the snow! Well, whatever's left, but no place across the street. Oh, black shit, black shit. I think she's finished with that. Please, Lord Jesus. Stop sign. What the fuck would you get a stop sign right here? No, there's no damn stop sign. I'm gonna go see my friend at work. He works out. The dangerous road. Salute to the war heroes. I'm gonna bleep that out. I don't know how yet, but I'm going to do it. Oh man. Come on. Run. Go. Oh my god. She's on the phone. Why is my neighbor on the phone? It's so dangerous. Do not get on the phone while you're driving a car or a motorcycle. It's very dangerous. That's what you and here we go. boosters. Nope, it's been blocked. Look, there goes one right there. Look at it. It's amazing. I would never ride one of those things. That is way too much fucking power for me. Even though I'm a speed demon, but that's too much. I can't do that shit. Where's he going? Going up Robinson. See you, man. See you at the back night, maybe. Oh my God. The New England black guys this week too. Old lady. Yeah, anybody notice that all the old people drive nice ass cars? I've never seen anybody driving, like anybody young that's not rich driving a nice car. Like, everybody cares about drugs and shit. Drugs are bad, people. Don't do crack. Heroin. All that other shit. I don't know anything else, but don't do it. About to crash, but I'm amazing, so no crashing. know anything about the goddamn rest. The name, the GPS. I forgot none of that's his name. It's 2000! Wrong with Georgia! Keep get out the fucking fast lane! Put a shotgun on something. Go, 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 go! No, it's saying arrow about the turning and staying in one lane. I'm actually turning right this time, so I can do that. I want to go upstairs. I want to go to the next level. Come on. Get up. Old man in an old BMW. Parking lot. Parking lot. Parking lot. Parking lot. Adamar, let's go, Georgia. See if I can find somewhere up front. Up front, up front, up front. Up front. Look at this sexy ass Porsche. I'm lying, Porsches are ugly as fuck. Woo! Parking spot.